Hey guys, it's Dr. Hub. Today we look at the methods, and this is going to be of the health communication. So the health communication, there is individual approach, group approach as well as mass approach. Now we are going to look at the individual approach. So in the individual approach, it includes there is a personal contact. There's personal contact. Then comes the home visits as well as the personal letters. Now let's move on to the group approach. So in terms of the group approach, there includes lectures, then comes the demonstrations. So there's lectures, there's demonstrations, as well as there is discussion methods. So lectures, demonstration, there are discussion methods. There is group discussions. There is panel discussion, symposium, conferences, seminars, as well as the role play. Then we will look at the mass approach. So in the mass approach, it includes there is TV, there is radio, there is newspaper, as well as there is printed material. Next, there is direct mailing. There can be use of posters, health museums. Next, there is also the health exhibitions. Health exhibitions. Then there is also the folk method and also the use of the internet.